Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll make some vegetable sauce with some boiled eggs and some smoked chicken, and this will go down with boiled yam. I like vegetables a lot, that's why I always consume them. So I'll start by peeling the yams and cutting them to my desired shape, then wash them very well and put them inside a pot. Then I'll add water. Make sure the water covers the yam completely. After adding this water, I'll add some salt. While boiling this yam, add some salt because it will help and add some taste to the yam. Yes, that is the salt. I added half tablespoon of salt to it, depending on the quantity of yam you are using. Just eyeball it to know the quantity of salt you add, because later you sieve the water out when the yam is well cooked and salt. Then I'll be using white onions for this recipe. If you don't have the white onions, you can use the purple onions. I'll chop these onions as I like it. You can use the round method, the tiny method. Yeah, that is the onions. Then I'll use some frozen vegetables. Yes, this is it. I like these vegetables because it's very easy for me. It's one of my cooking made easy ingredients. And inside this vegetable, inside this pack, you have almost all the vegetables. You have some tomatoes, some carrots, some green beans right inside it. I love this one pack mixed vegetable because it makes my cooking process very easy. But if you don't have this, if it's not in the shop, or if you don't have access to this type of vegetable, you can get your fresh vegetables from the market. You can get your spring onions, your carrots, and some potatoes. Yes, you can add some potatoes to it, then some green beans and others. This mixed veggies pack should be stored in the freezer till when you use it. Then I'll be using some smoked chicken for this recipe. It's already smoked and spiced and well spiced. First of all, I'll add some vegetable oil to my pan. Any type of vegetable oil is accepted, whether maize, olive oil, groundnut oil, sunflower oil. Then I'll add in my chopped garlic. Yeah, I use 2 cloves of chopped garlic for this recipe. I love cooking with garlic. It's very good and healthy. Then I'll add my white onions to it and saute it for just 2 minutes. I won't let the onions to turn translucent because this is a fresh sauce. How will I put it? I want it to be crunchy, and you know vegetables are good to eat it fresh. Don't overcook it. Then I'll add my vegetables. The same thing with the onions. I won't let it to cook for long. Just 5 minutes is enough for me to prepare this sauce. I'll saute it very well, then add all the spices I'll use for it. In there, I'll add some salt, that is the salt. I'll add salt, then some ginger powder, then my cinnamon powder, my curry powder, and some pepper, just little, because the pepper is very hot and spicy, so I just added little. Then I add 1 seasoning cube to it. Then I'll turn this very well. I'll mix it very well to make sure all of them are well combine, and this won't take up to 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes of mixing everything together. I will now add the smoked chicken. You know, this is vegetable, so I don't need to cook it for long. No. You don't need to cook vegetable for long. It's better and healthy to eat it fresh. Don't cook it so long. 5 to 10 minutes is enough to cook your vegetable. Then in there I'm adding my smoked chicken. The chicken is already spiced and tasty. I also add my egg, boiled egg. I've already boiled the egg. So for my protein, I'm using chicken and egg for this protein. You can see this meal is well balanced. I have a lot of vegetables, I have a lot of minerals, I have protein in it. Then I'll be using my yam, which is carbohydrate. What a balanced diet. Guys, can you see this sauce? Wow. Very, very tasty and looks appetizing. Try this sauce. Very, very easy. Trust me, this is very easy and fast. Just 5 minutes, you are done making this sauce. Ooh la la, our vegetable sauce is ready. 5 minutes vegetable sauce. And this will go down with my boiled white yam. As I said earlier, you can also use boiled potatoes for this sauce. And one thing I like about this sauce is it's very, very affordable. All you use to make it, all of them are very, very affordable, and you can get them in any shop or any store, even farm. So you can see this vegetable sauce is affordable, is easily reach. You can easily get them from any market. It's delicious. It saves time. Yes, it saves a lot of time to prepare this, and it is well balanced. It contains all the nutrients, all the balanced diets. We have the carbohydrate, which is the yam, the protein, that is the egg and the chicken, the vegetables, the water, minerals. Very balanced. Thank you for watching till this moment. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Vivian Cousins.